Welcome to Kids Ready Show. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for flag. G for God. H for hand. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rat. S for sparrow. T for telephone. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Z for zebra. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. How's the video? Thanks for watching.